everyone, xin chào mọi người.
Today you bought what?
The car.
Transforming car, is it? From Japan. 1 minute, let me show first. Okay, you have different one, okay? Alright. You need my help? Okay.
First, I'm going to open this.
Okay. There's a couple of different ones. Huh?
These are more different ones.
Is it? There's more?
Yes. The kitty better.
Why there's some food here? You keep it for later or what? Is it food?
If I eat the cheese bread now.
The cheese bread, is it?
Yeah.
Come, I help you. They stick it up. Okay, I take a scissor. Put the tape inside here. I need to just remove the tape for you here. See? You put the tape here. Okay, I'll remove all. You leave it there, I'll do it for you. Okay, this is done. Okay, this is done. The first one. Okay, let me start removing the first.
There's a flyer.
The flyer here?
Yes.
All this is from where? From Japan. Yeah, you have. This is from Bandai. Okay. The Bandai brand. They show you the instruction here. They have the back here. They got the instruction. Okay. They take it up as well here. Let me remove this. Okay. There you go. You can change it together. Another type of car, is it? There's like a two-way thing, right? Is it?
How to put the wheel in?
Look at the instruction.
I'm trying to fit the wheel in. Just you put up the wheel. Done. Police car.
Transform to a police car. Transform to a police car, is it?
Permission to a racing car.
Okay.
Transform back to the racing car.
So it's from police car to racing car.
Yes. Racing car first they put racing car. Then second they transform to police car.
Okay, no, we lay this one later, we put it last.
Why?
This one first. Yeah. So you
Is
see
that
from...
a special one?
Yeah, I think so. From the racing car, then I transform.
You need to turn, you can turn the wheels.
Turn it the other way around.
Like that.
Then I put it back in.
That's how it-
And now it becomes a police car.
Give me a
Okay.
that. The subscriber already know that. Transformation, please. Transform.
Okay, there's another one here. This one now, you just open it up. This is the red car.
The police car is the racing car. You check. Police car again.
Police car again. Okay, and
This is the different police.
okay. Let me have you to remove the tape first, okay?
Transformation. Ching, ching, ching. It races to the wheels. This will help me open.
Yeah, just help you.
Then you put it there. Then you put it there, then I'll do it.
Okay, now I show. Now this is the red car. Okay, open it the side. turn it,
Need
then
racing
it becomes
car.
a police car.
We should introduce them first.
Okay,
After this.
so this is a black racing car, and then we transform it
For taxi.
into a
Taxi.
taxi. Oh yeah, it's a taxi. Okay.
Silly daddy. Silly every time. Ooh, what's this? Little
What do you have here?
information bag.
What do you have? This one is.
What?
Now which one? What are you doing? That one.
Forming bag.
Okay.
Forming bag.
You have a towing truck for cars, right? And we can transform into a mobile crane. This is a crane. It's a mobile crane.
And you want to transform it back.
Okay.
Oh, what's this?
How do you do this?
Please stay there.
Can you do that? Got it?
No, the wheel is just up.
The wheel is outside.
How can we do that?
Come, show me.
Something.
Okay, what you need to do is you need to fold this in, is it? Can we turn this? No, we can't turn this. Okay. So what you need to do is close it back up here.
Oh.
Yeah.
Like that? Oh yes. How did I do it?
Okay.
Come back. Bye everyone. Thanks for watching our channel. Bye. Click any channel that you want and tell me. Bye bye. I'm out of here.